Mastering positive self-talk to beat test anxiety. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you improve your English and tackle the challenges of language tests. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful technique for test preparation, one that not only enhances your study skills but also helps manage test anxiety. We're talking about positive self-talk. This tool can help change the way you think, and ultimately, how you perform in exams. So, let's jump right in. Positive self-talk involves speaking to yourself in an encouraging way. Instead of focusing on negative thoughts, like, "I can't do this," or "this is too hard," you switch to more uplifting statements like, "I can handle this," or "I'm prepared and capable." Changing the way you talk to yourself can have a significant impact on your mindset and performance. Why is it important? You might be wondering, does it really matter what I tell myself? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Your thoughts shape your reality. When you continually put yourself down, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. On the other hand, positive self-talk can boost your confidence and increase your chances of succeeding in your exams. Alright, let's talk about how you can practice this technique. Step 1. Recognize negative talk. The first step is identifying when you're engaging in negative self-talk. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'll never pass this test," that's a red flag. Step 2. Challenge those thoughts. Next, challenge those negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true? What evidence do I have to support or counter this thought? Step 3. Replace with positive statements. Finally, replace the negative thought with a positive statement. Instead of saying, "I'll never pass this test," say, "I've prepared well and I have the ability to pass this test." Let's go over some examples to give you a better understanding of how you can use this in real-life test scenarios. 1. Before the test, I am well prepared and I know I can do this. 2. During a difficult question, I can figure this out. One challenging question doesn't define me. 3. After making a mistake, it's okay. Mistakes happen. I'll focus on the rest of the test. 4. Final moments of the test, I'm almost there. I can finish strong. Remember, these statements are more effective when you genuinely believe them, so practice makes perfect. There you have it, folks. The power of positive self-talk can't be underestimated, especially when it comes to beating test anxiety. It's all about changing your mindset and setting yourself up for success. You have the power to shape your own experience. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're confident you'll put these tips into practice and see the changes for yourself. Good luck with your test preparations, and see you in the next video.